Heal your body with daily lemon water. Here's how. Hey everyone, it's Multi here, and today we're diving into the incredible health benefits of a simple yet powerful drink lemon water. You know me, I'm all about practical ways to improve your health, and incorporating lemon water into your daily routine is one of the easiest changes you can make. Throughout this video, we'll explore the science-backed reasons why lemon water is so good for you, and I'll share some tips on how to make it a part of your day. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Boosts hydration and electrolyte balance. Let's be real, sometimes drinking enough water can feel like a chore. Adding a squeeze of lemon not only enhances the flavor, but actually encourages you to stay hydrated throughout the day. Staying hydrated is absolutely crucial for your body to function at its best. Think of it like this: your body needs water like a car needs oil. Without it, things start to go haywire. But here's where lemon water goes the extra mile. It's also packed with electrolytes like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which help your body maintain fluid balance and prevent dehydration. These electrolytes are essential for muscle function, nerve impulses, and keeping your energy levels up. Chapter 3. Aids in detoxification. We're exposed to toxins every day, whether it's through the environment, processed foods, or even stress. Supporting your body's natural detoxification processes is crucial for feeling your best. Lemon water acts as a natural detoxifier, giving your liver a helping hand. The citric acid in lemon stimulates enzyme production in the liver, which aids in eliminating toxins and waste products from the body. Think of it as a gentle cleanse for your internal systems. This detoxifying effect can leave you feeling lighter, brighter, and more energized. All right, let's talk about that healthy glow. Lemon water is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that's essential for collagen production. Collagen is like the scaffolding that keeps your skin firm, elastic, and wrinkle-free. As we age, our collagen production naturally declines, which is where lemon water can help. Those antioxidants I mentioned earlier also play a key role in protecting your skin from free radical damage, which can cause premature aging, sunspots, and fine lines. By incorporating lemon water into your routine, you're essentially giving your skin a daily dose of protection and nourishment. Chapter 5. Strengthens the immune system. Feeling run down? Lemon water to the rescue. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a vital nutrient that plays a central role in supporting a healthy immune system. Vitamin C acts like an army, strengthening your body's defenses and helping it ward off those pesky invaders like viruses and bacteria. Especially during cold and flu season, or when you're feeling under the weather, reaching for a glass of lemon water can provide your body with the extra support it needs to stay healthy. Chapter 6. Supports weight management. Now let's talk about weight management. Lemon water can be a valuable tool in your weight loss journey. It's naturally low in calories and sugar, making it an excellent alternative to sugary drinks like sodas and juices. But here's the key. Lemon water can help curb those pesky cravings and reduce appetite. How? Well, it promotes a feeling of fullness, preventing you from overeating and reaching for unhealthy snacks. Plus, it helps stabilize blood sugar levels, which can prevent those energy crashes and cravings that lead to unhealthy food choices. Chapter 7. Promotes fresh breath. Let's face it, no one wants to start their day with bad breath. Lemon water to the rescue. Lemon juice has natural antibacterial properties that can help neutralize bad breath by eliminating odor-causing bacteria in the mouth. Think of it as a natural mouthwash. Starting your day with a glass of lemon water can leave your breath feeling fresh and clean. Just remember to rinse your mouth with plain water afterward to protect your tooth enamel from the acidity. Outro cheers to your health. There you have it. 7 science-backed reasons why incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can make a world of difference for your health. Drinking lemon water daily is a simple, refreshing habit that offers a wide range of health benefits. From detoxifying the body and aiding digestion to boosting skin health and supporting immunity, lemon water is a natural way to heal and energize the body. Try incorporating this small ritual into your daily routine and see how a simple glass of lemon water can make a positive impact on your health and wellness journey.